In a world filled with hustle and bustle, sometimes we forget to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I invite you to join me on a journey of mindfulness and creativity as we learn how to sketch and ink a pretty sunflower. Let's start by taking a moment to observe the beauty of the sunflower. Notice the arrangement of its seed and the graceful curve of its petals that dance in the sunlight. Now let's begin our drawing by sketching the basic shapes. Start with a large circular face for the petals and a sturdy stem extending downward. Now let's add some depth and dimension to our drawing by shading the center of the flower. Fill the innermost circle with stippling, a method where we cover the area with carefully placed tiny dots to build up different tones and textures. For the middle circle, use light circular strokes to mimic the texture of the seeds. This step adds some depth and realism to our sketch. Next, draw the petals of the flower, keeping in mind their distinctive arrangement and curves. Adding more petals layer by layer as we go. Remember, each petal is unique, so feel free to experiment with different shapes and sizes. Use gentle strokes to create a natural flow. Extend a sturdy stem from the base of the flower and add broad, jagged leaves along its length. Sunflower leaves have a unique texture, and capturing these details enhances the overall composition. If you are enjoying this tutorial, then do check out our website and Etsy store. We have an exclusive collection of step-by-step drawing guides and practice sheets available for instant download that can really help you transform your creative journey. have shared the link in the description box below. Art has a magical way of quieting the mind, soothing the soul, and reconnecting us with our innermost selves. When we engage in art, we enter a state of flow, a state of complete absorption and focus where time seems to stand still. But perhaps the most beautiful aspect of art is not the end result, but the journey of creation itself. In a world that often measures success by external achievements, art teaches us to embrace the process, to let go of expectations, and simply be in the moment. So I encourage you to grab that pencil and start drawing, not with the goal of perfection, but with the intention of finding joy in the art of creation. And there you have it, a beautiful sunflower created with mindfulness and intention. Remember, the joy of drawing comes not from the end result, but from the process of creation itself. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you feel inspired to pick up your pencil and start drawing. Until next time, happy creating.